morning, guys. A very happy Monday to all of you. जबकि आप लोग ये सब मोस्टली थर्सडे को देखेंगे, बट टुडे इज़ मंडे व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग दिस और मैं अभी बस घर के बाहर निकलने वाली थी. सो done with my lip gloss and now I'm just gonna wear my slippers and head out of home. So where am I going? Not much, but Diza की water bottle leak करती है, तो I need to buy her a new water bottle. So that's where I'm heading. It's 11:15 right now. मुझे उसको उसकी स्कूल लेने almost 12 बजे जाना है. So before 12 I'll have to be there at her school. So I'm just gonna pick my keys and I'm just gonna head out. And probably will show you guys what I buy. So which bottle I buy, we'll take the purse. So this happens with me quite a lot कि मैं निकल तो जाती हूँ, मैं हमेशा अपना पर्स भूल जाती हूँ. So I'll go downstairs and then I'll be like कुछ तो भूल रही हूँ, and then I'll come again and then I'll come again upstairs and I'll just take my stuff and go again. So yeah, let's just go. I'm sweating like anything because बहुत गर्मी है और बारिश नहीं हो रही है जयपुर में बिल्कुल भी. So yeah, summer's time you can say. और कोई नहीं भाई आपके पास? I think I'll be buying this one and स्टील का ये नाइस. ये कितने का है भैया?
ये 340.
नाइस. So I just came home and bought some stuff for Dizu. So basically I went to buy a water bottle. So I bought this one. So this is of cello, I guess. हमारे बचपन में भी हम सेलो यूज़ करते थे, अभी भी सेलो यूज़ हो रहा है. बट आई एम नॉट एंटायरली हैप्पी विद द बॉटल बिकॉज मुझे स्ट्रॉ वाली बॉटल चाहिए थी, बट गॉट दिस वन बिकॉज स्ट्रॉ वाली वॉज नॉट दैट प्रिटी आई गेस, एंड Dizu एक्चुअली लव्स पिंक कलर. सो या दैट्स व्हाई. एंड फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, नॉट क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, so from the day one when से मैंने उसको लंच बॉक्स देना स्टार्ट किया है, आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विथ हर लंच बॉक्स सिंपली बिकॉज वो प्लास्टिक का है, बाहर से ये भी प्लास्टिक का है. बट मुझे ये होता था कि प्लास्टिक में 1-1.5 घंटे तक खाना रहता है, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हर हेल्थ. सो मुझे चाहिए था कि कोई ऐसा लंच बॉक्स मिले जो दिखने में फंकी भी हो और अंदर से स्टील का हो. सो दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई गॉट. ये फाइनली मुझे स्टील का लंच बॉक्स मिल गया. आई एम वेरी 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 हैप्पी. और ये दिखने में भी बहुत स्टाइलिश है एंड मोर देन एनीथिंग ये बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली प्लास्टिक वाले से थोड़ा हैवी है बट नॉट दैट हैवी. सो आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस वन. सो या थोड़ा टाइम था इसलिए मैं घर आ गई बिकॉज स्कूल के बाहर जाके आप लॉबी एरिया में बैठ के क्या ही करोगे. So I just thought that it's better to come home and finish some work. बेबी अच्छे ऐसे बेबी खुद कैसे खाएगा? ऐसे बाइट करो अंदर. यम्मी यम्मी यम्मी. मम्मा भी ईट करे. Whoa. So today is Tuesday. So it's almost 9:30 and Diza is in the school and I'm preparing myself brunch. So I am on intermittent fasting right now. So I haven't had anything since morning other than my green tea and water. So now I'm just gonna make myself brunch. So what I'm having today. So this is the masala that I've made. Boiled potatoes, green capsicum, onions, tomatoes, a little bit of spices, and I have made sandwiches out of that. So I'm using multigrain bread. So this is in the process. And on the other hand, I'm making naan khatai for Dizu. So these are like small cookies that you make at home. I have learned the recipe very recently, and it is so addicting. Oh my god, you just cannot stop eating them. They are so tasty. And yeah, I'm just baking those. Let me just show it to you guys. So they are in the baking process. 7 more minutes to go. So yeah, I'm just making my sandwiches and I'll have them, and then I'll just continue my work. I've been up since 5:30, so I'm dying out of hunger. So yeah, I'm just gonna hog on to that. This is my biggest meal of the day, so I eat like a hog on this meal, and the rest of the meals are very tiny ones, like veggies, fruits, all those sort of things. And I start my day at 10. I'll end it probably by 6 or 7 max, or generally I end it by 6:30. So yeah, my sandwiches are almost ready. They are so crispy. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat my sandwiches, super crispy ones with a little bit of ketchup. So this is how perfectly they have turned out to be, and they are super easy and super simple. This is how it looks. Baby girl, come. Beto. Dip one finger. Which color? Green or red? ऐसे करो. अब करो यहाँ पे. C. D. Do. Z. Do. So this is some fun that we had together. Acha. Who eats bhutta like this? You eat? Show me how you eat bhutta. This is how you eat bhutta. Mama's turn.
No.
Please. Oh. Very yummy. Yummy, yummy. Eat. Now your turn. You eat. You want to eat cookie? Okay. So we are getting ready for a birthday party where we have to go in like 5 minutes. So yeah, just getting ready. This Manchu wants to eat cookie, so I'm just giving a cookie. Achha, wait. Let me show you dress. Let me. Oh my God, you look so cute. Wow, I love your dress. You look pretty, no? Dizu, at least show your dress, please. So I'm wearing this. हाँ, मम्मा ने लिपस्टिक लगाया है, no? You want it?
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
Do not touch my lips. No, no. No lips.
Mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. It's the end. It's the end. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow.
And I'm sweating. Oh my God, why did I dance? रेडी होने को और कौन डांस करता है? But it's okay, it's fun. So yeah. So nowadays this is something new that I am getting into. पता नहीं मुझे इजी ब्रीजी ड्रेसेस बहुत अच्छी लगने लगी है एंड पता नहीं बॉडी हगिंग ड्रेसेस मैं थोड़ी कम पहनने लगी हूँ मे बी आई एम बिकमिंग एन आंटी आई डोंट नो whatever it is but yeah these loose easy dresses are so convenient. It's like you can wear them whole day and not feel anything. So yeah, so I have tried to make some kind of natural waves but मेरे बाल naturally straight हैं and I crave curls like these यार. Her curls are so damn cute and you know I just try and make them more like I just rotate them in my fingers and just pop them. They look super cute so I just try and do that. Dizu, come here, say hi. Hi. What? You want me to eat cookie? Oh, I thought you were giving that to me. No? No. Achha, where's your watch? Where's your dress? Where are your socks? Wow, feet में socks है. Nice. Achha, Dizu, who looks cute? Lips look cute. No. No. हाय बाबा आपको कितना जल्दी है लिपस्टिक का थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाओ थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाओ थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाओ You are naughty. Give me one kissy. Give me one kissy on cheeks. Oh my god, this is probably one of the most favorite dresses of hers. Wow, it's cute. Okay, so we'll just go to the party, we'll enjoy there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye.